Hello guys, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Service Cloud in Salesforce. So what is Service Cloud? Service Cloud is a leading platform designed for customer service and support experiences. It enables users to automate service processes, streamline workflows, and find key articles and topics to support customer service agents. It handles the customer service request from start to finish. This process includes case creation, assignment, resolution, and closure. With its powerful suite of tools, Salesforce Service Cloud enables businesses to provide personalized, efficient, and proactive customer service, making it an indispensable platform in today's competitive market. Why Service Cloud stands out? Customer centric design. It focuses on delivering personalized and efficient support experiences, scalable solutions. Whether you are a small business or large enterprise, Salesforce Service Cloud adapts all your needs. Proactive engagement uses AI and automation to anticipate customer needs and address issues before they arise. Integration friendly easily integrates with other Salesforce products and third party apps to create a unified ecosystem. What are the key features that make Service Cloud hot? Omni-channel support. It manages customer interactions across channels like email, phone, chat, social media, and self-service portals. Case management. Organize, tracks, and resolve customer issues efficiently using automated workflows and routing. Ensure cases and assign to the right agents or queues based on complexity and priority. Service console. Provide agent with a unified 360-degree view of the customer including their past interactions and purchase history. Enhance productivity with an intuitive interface and AI driven recommendations. AI powered assistance with Einstein. Leverage AI for case classification, sentiment analysis, and next best action suggestions. Use bots to handle routine inquiries, freeing up agents for more complex issues. Knowledge management. It creates a centralized knowledge base for customers and agents to quickly find answers. Also, it reduces response time and empowers self service through knowledge articles. Self service options enable customers to resolve issues independently through portals and communities, reduces ticket volumes and optional cost while improving customer satisfaction. Impact of Service Cloud on businesses. So it is improving customer retention through fast issue resolution, enhances agent productivity by automating repetitive tasks, drives cost efficiency by reducing manual efforts and optimizing workflows, elevates customer satisfactions leading to long-term loyalty and brand advocacy. So we have already a detailed video on Service Cloud as well as case process automation. Check out our detailed video on Service Cloud in the I button as well as in the description. So we have successfully completed the Salesforce Administrator workshop. Next we are going to start development series shortly. Thanks all of you for attending the session and being with us. Have a great day.